Flight attendants, prepare for landing.
Transition altitude.
Member joined.
Barrow reference set and cross-checked. 1011.
Se Borga 03 Sierra Roma, ciao, contatto radar, vola diretto a Camo dalla presente, sarà ILS 024.
Non ho l'FMC per fare il volo diretto, mi hai chiesto 06.
Capito, quindi non puoi prendere diretti fuori dalla tua rotta, è questo?
Affermativo, ho la rotta impostata sul GPS, usando quello.
Ok, nessun problema, allora continua pure per la tua rotta e chiama pronto alla discesa, c'è la 241.
Chiamiamo pronti alla discesa, su Borga 06.
Speed check, flaps 1. Lights
Bene, se
live.
non c'è Roma Ieri pronto tutto, buonasera.
$2,500. $2,500. $2,500. $2,500. $2,500. $2,500.
Tutti unico, molto 2 decimali T0, ciao, grazie per l'assistenza, buona serata.
Member left.
Brock 240 Roma distanza at level 900.
Delta level 900, number of 240.
Member left.
Localizer alive. Localizer captured.
Member
Roma
joined.
radar ALITALIA 405 established on LS runway 16 left.
Italia 405, 10 miles from touchdown, power 187, buonasera.
Switch with tower 118, Dutchman 7, Italia 405, goodbye.
Light slope captured.
Link
Traffic
disengaged.
in front of us, line up and wait, runway 25, IVAO.
Italia 777, Fiume.
Good evening, request startup e pushback.
Italia 777, stand by.
Stand by.
Fiume Tower, good evening, ALITALIA 405 with you. Established on LS runway 16 left.
Italia 405, runway 16 left, clear to land, wind calm.
Member joined.
Clear to land 16 left, Alitalia 405.
France 63 Juliet,
Check,
radar
flaps
contact, Roma 124.2, bye.
124.2, grazie,
Gear down. Flaps 3.
Speed check, flaps 3.
Member left.
Ryanair 2120, runway 25, clear for
Flaps
takeoff,
full.
wind calm.
Speed check, flaps full.
Landing
Check
checklist.
trying to fire, I'm trying to get
Landing gear,
Down and
1000.
locked. 3 greens.
ground spoilers,
Checked and armed.
auto brakes,
1000.
Low.
exterior lights,
Set.
go around altitude,
Minimum.
Set. Continue.
landing memo,
Checked no blue.
checklist complete.
Autopilot off.
Italia 715, runway 25, line up and wait.
and up and wait around 25, Alitalia 715.
Ryanair 2120, squawk on Charlie.
500.
Squawking on Charlie, down to 120.
Nice Fiumicino, Tower, Europa 15 Papa Romeo with you, ready to copy instrumental flight plan to Palma de Mallorca, and we have ladies on board.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, Fiume, good day, stand by.
300.
Ryanair 2120, radar contact, Roma 124.2, bye bye.
122.2,
200.
Member left.
100.
Italia 715, runway 25, clear for takeoff, wind
70.
calm.
60. 50.
Copy the runway 25, clear for takeoff for Italia
20.
715.
Retard. 10.
Italia 1271, after departing Boeing 737 Alitalia Company, runway 25, line up and wait.
Landing up and wait behind runway 25, only 1271.
Reverse screen, $70 knots.
Italia 777, check your flight plan. Roger, we'll check flight plan. Europa 15 Papa Romeo, ready to copy.
I'm ready to copy, 15 Papa Romeo.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, clear to Lima Echo Papa Alpha, runway 25 via SOSAC 6 Alpha
After landing
departure,
checklist.
transition Ezino 5 Hotel,
Exterior
initial
lights.
climb 3000 feet,
Checked.
squawk 5454, stand by for the readback.
Set off.
Engine mode selector,
Check
Italia
normal.
715 radar contact, Roma
Check
124.2, bye bye.
Ali 405
Thank you,
landed.
radar 124.2, Alitalia 715, thank you.
Set off.
brake temperature,
Italia
Checked.
405,
APU.
continue taxi via Delta, then Echo Golf to stand 201.
Stand 201 via Delta and Echo Golf, Alitalia 405.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, clear to Palma de Mallorca via
Stand by,
SOSAC.
stand by.
Member
Correct.
left.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, departure SOSAC 6 Alpha, transition Ezino 5 Hotel.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, clear for Palma de Mallorca out of runway 25, source 6 Alpha, and transition Echo Sierra India November 5 Hotel, initial 3000 feet and squawk 5454 in the box.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, readback is correct. Alitalia 777, ready to copy.
Ready to copy.
Alitalia 1271, radar contact Roma 124.2, bye.
1242, Holly 1271, gratis.
Member left.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, ready for push start.
Europa 15 Papa Romeo, push and start approved, KNH 1011.
KH 1011, push and start approved, Europa 15 Papa Romeo, thank you.
Alitalia 777, clear to Lima India Roma Quebec, runway 25 via Xibri, 6 Alpha departure, transition Tiber 7 Alpha. Initial climb 3000 feet, squawk 5413.
Fiume Tower, I read 1 on 5. Can you repeat?
Alitalia 405 on blocks.
Alitalia 405, Roger, closing at 49er, bye bye.
Unicom, thank you, goodbye.
Link disengaged.
And the parking checklist.
Parking brake and chocks.
Chocks are set. Parking brakes released.
Engine master.
Both off.
Seatbelt signs.
Off.
Beacon lights.
Off.
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Checklist complete.